In 2035, this toxic rain nearly wiped out humanity. Then solar radiation spiked. Life began to mutate. The undead rose. To keep my wife and kid alive in this hell, I risked my life every day scavenging for food, and they betrayed me.
Honey, Lucas, I found food for us.
That's all you found? You expect this to feed all of us?
Be a man, Leo. Take some responsibility for this family. Since you clearly can't, how about you be the meal?
Finally. Fresh meat. My daughter is a genius.
But Lucas can't grow up without his dad.
Dad is right here.
What?
If Drake hadn't been stuck in that messy divorce, and if I hadn't already been pregnant, you think some broke loser like you would have ever gotten near me?
You bastards! I'll kill you all!
No, I'm the one who's killing you. We'll carve you up and fire up the grill tonight.
I'm right here! I'm right here!
Where am I? Shouldn't I be dead?
So, this is the world before the disaster. Could it be? I've been reborn? I've come back to the time before everything changed.
I'm alive.
Mr. Graves, the lawyer handling the distribution of your multi-billion-dollar estate is already waiting for you.
At participating locations, get any large pizza and any order of wings for just $19.99.
This time, I will make them pay for betraying me.
Watch out!
I remember. In my last life, an old man died in a crash right here at this intersection.
Hold on. I've called an ambulance.
There's no time. Only I can save him.
You trying to kill him?
Tension pneumothorax. Pressure building in his chest. I had to release it, or he'd die.
I'm okay now.
Are you a doctor?
Come on. During the apocalypse, everyone's a field medic or a corpse.
Kid, thank you. I'll repay you for this. Let me help you.
Don't bother. I've got to get home and settle a score with a woman who shares my bed.
Your wife?
Soon-to-be ex-wife.
Before the world ends, I've got loose ends to tie up.
This kid's got guts. Maybe I've just found the perfect heir to my hundreds of billions.
Hey. Leo, I need a new car. Wire me 70 grand.
You want my money?
Dream on!
You dare lay hands on my son?
Who do you think you are? If my daughter hadn't taken pity on you,
You'd still be living in some rundown hole.
I busted my ass at the garage all day and drove Uber all night for this family. I didn't spend a dime on myself. Every paycheck went straight to your daughter. And what did I get? Not even basic respect.
You want respect? Then wire me the 70 grand. Here's your chance to earn it.
Fine. I'll give you a chance too. The apocalypse is coming. The three of you get on your knees and apologize. Maybe I'll spare you some food when the time comes.
What apocalypse? This bastard's lost his mind!
How dare you curse us? Screw you!
What? What are you doing?
Guess you just threw away your last shot at survival.
You ungrateful bastard! I'll make my daughter divorce you!
Do it! Anyone who backs out is a pussy.
Dad, stop it! Easy, Dad. Leo and I love each other. Divorce is out of the question.
If we divorce, we lose our free labor.
Dad only talks to you like that because he sees you as family. Divorce? Don't be silly, Lucas needs his dad.
Yeah. The kid needs a father. But what does that have to do with me?
He knows?
I put up with it all for my kid. But now, we're done.
I want a damn divorce! Now!
Deadweight's gone. Time to get ready for the apocalypse. But where do I get the cash?
Leo, someone wants to see you. Get in. Mr. Graves, Leo is here.
No way. The guy I saved was the richest man in the country?
Come here, boy.
Take a good look, Leo.
Those 20-plus commercial districts and residential towers.
Let me guess. They're all yours?
Soon. All yours.
Me?
I've spent my whole life building empires. Never married, no heirs, just money. Now I don't have much time left.
You saved my life. That's fate. So take it. It's all yours.
Really? Don't worry. I'll make every dollar count.
Not even a thank you? Fine. So what's your plan?
I'm dumping every cash-flowing asset, properties, stocks, the whole damn portfolio at a discount, and buying hundreds of tons of meat, bottled water, and all kinds of food, clothes, and supplies.
You want to destroy his legacy?
Whoa, easy. Once the apocalypse hits, money's just toilet paper. Better to trade it for something useful.
Sir, this guy's talking like a lunatic. Are you sure he's the right heir?
I like him. Leo, this is Vega, my head of security. From now on, she answers to you.
You're Vega?
You know me?
In my last life, she was the one-woman army who could take on 100 soldiers alone. Who wouldn't know her?
She single-handedly carved a path of bloodshed through a horde of tens of thousands of zombies.
Pleasure doing business. Once the world burns, we're going to have one hell of a run together.
Touch me again and I'll snap your wrist.
All right. I'm off to buy meat. Make sure those billions get liquidated ASAP and wire all the money to my account.
This is barely half the gear. Where the hell am I supposed to put all this? I'll need hundreds more acres of storage.
Leo, the $5 billion R&D project's done. Your prototype glove just arrived.
Already? Yeah, cash moves faster than zombies. The good show is about to begin. Wow, so cool.
Take care of it. Don't waste the chairman's money.
Got it. My endgame cheat code finally here. Oh my god!
Leo, welcome to the X-Dimensional Vault.
A pocket dimension?
This space is infinite. With a single thought, you may store any real-world object here. Items will never decay or change.
Let's test it.
Ha! Perfect. With this, the apocalypse just got a whole lot more interesting.
Upgrade protocol detected. Activate modification system.
Modification?
That's my junker?
The glove integrates a universal upgrade matrix. With it, you can retrofit any vehicle or device for end-world survival.
Wow, how far can it go? Haha, load them all. Woo! That felt so good, babe.
Nice driving. We've bought the supermarket just like you ordered. Fully fortified, off-grid power and water. It's your ultimate doomsday bunker.
Not bad. All that grumbling, and still you deliver.
Don't flatter yourself. I'm only doing this for Mr. Graves. But really, why here? You could have bought anywhere.
Because I want to live in the same neighborhood as my ex-wife and her new boyfriend.
The end is coming, and I want a front row seat when it tears them apart.
I thought the apocalypse had come early.
Vega, get Mr. Graves back here within the hour.
That soon?
The apocalypse starts tonight. Might as well give everyone a heads up.
Look what that loser just posted. Don't go outside after 6 p.m. The apocalypse hits tonight. Is he trying to be some kind of messiah?
Loser!
Hey, isn't that your ex?
Playing savior online? And a hard hat nobody in real life.
Let me get a shot of this loser.
Careful who you're messing with.
Who the hell are you? You wanna die, bitch?
Vega, don't bother with these two dying men.
Ever since I dumped that broke-ass piece of shit, he's had nowhere to live. Dude's completely unhinged.
Oh yeah? Funny you say that. That's my new home.
Bullshit. Everyone knows that place was bought by some heir of Mr. Graves.
And how do you know that's not me?
Bro, if you're really the heir, I'll rip my head off and kick it to you a soccer ball. Move!
Believe what you want. You're gonna die ugly anyway.
You piece of shit!
Enough, Vega. Mr. Graves?
Oh my god, you got the wrong guy. It's this loser, Leo. He's the one pretending to be your heir.
Huge honor. Do you need help with this, man? Just tell me.
Leo,
You all right?
I'm fine.
Good. Wouldn't want anything to happen to my only heir.
What?
So who was it? The one who offered me his head as a soccer ball?
You'll see, you.
What are you going to do with him?
Don't kill him. That'd be too kind.
Let the world do it. Never mind them. Let's head in.
I will kill you all!
So this is it. The last fortress of the future world.
Stop, sir. Identification.
Highest clearance.
Identity confirmed. Welcome back, Mr. Leo. Bunker climate system stable. Energy reserves optimal.
Good.
Apocalypse countdown entering final phase. Year-round climate control. Premium reserve vault. Supply sufficient food, water, medicine to outlast a century of famine. Weapons and vehicles fully upgraded. Every piece forged for the end of the world.
Honey, you okay?
piss off.
Sis, bro, I just heard. Graves sold everything. His company, his stocks, all gone. Word is he's bankrupt. Drowning in debt. That means Leo inherited an empty shell.
No wonder. Graves tricked him into taking all the debt. What a dumbass.
Damn it. He played us today. Next time I see him, I'm going to make him pay.
$10. Phase 1. Toxic rain.
Off to poker night.
Going out? Didn't Leo say the apocalypse was about to start?
You actually believe that, Luna Turk?
Right. Dad, here. Take some cash. Break a leg.
Warning, 1759. 60 seconds remaining until the apocalypse.
Time's up.
Nothing's happening.
Where is your apocalypse? $6 came and went. Glad we didn't fall for that idiot's nonsense.
It's here.
Engage full defensive systems.
Initiate the ultimate defense system.
What happened?
Last time around, I was one of the ones who died ugliest. This toxic rain, just the opening act. Soon the temperature spikes, then the zombies rise. Real hell hasn't even started yet. But this time, I'm making it to the end.
Looks like you didn't lie to us. Since that's the case, I have a gift for you.
Supreme Combat Authorization unlocked.
It's time for those who betrayed me to pay the price.